Hey there, beauties. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we uncover the truths behind the products you love or might love. Today, we're exploring a duo that's been a staple in many makeup bags. The Too Faced Foreplay and Better Than Sex mascara set. This comes with a full-size Better Than Sex mascara in black, and its partner, the Foreplay Primer, designed to prep, volumize, and extend your lashes for a dramatic finish. So here's the lowdown. The Foreplay Primer is formulated to moisturize and condition lashes while creating a base for the mascara to cling to. It promises to lift, separate, and add volume before you even apply your main coat. The Better Than Sex mascara itself is well known for its volumizing and lengthening effects, featuring a distinct hourglass-shaped brush that's meant to coat every lash evenly. The whole set is cruelty-free, which is a big plus if you're conscious about ethical beauty choices. When I put this duo to the test, I started with the primer. It has a creamy, almost whipped texture that glides smoothly onto lashes without clumping or feeling heavy. I could tell it was conditioning while giving a subtle lift. The mascara on top is where the magic happens. The brush grabs each lash, adding noticeable volume and a deep, intense black pigment that really makes the eyes pop. I tested it through a full day, from morning meetings to evening errands, and it held up without smudging or flaking, which is impressive for a volumizing mascara. Application is straightforward, though beginners might need a second coat to get full dramatic effect. What I loved is how the duo works together. The primer makes the mascara more effective, creating thicker, longer lashes that still feel flexible. On the flip side, some may find the mascara slightly drying if used daily without breaks, so pairing it with a gentle lash serum or occasional lash conditioning can help. Pros? The lashes look instantly fuller and longer. The black is richly pigmented, and the primer does a great job prepping lashes. The packaging is sleek and sturdy, making it travel-friendly. Cons? It can require careful application to avoid clumping, and at its price point, it's on the higher end compared to drugstore options. Speaking of value, while this duo isn't cheap, the results are noticeable. If you're after dramatic, show-stopping lashes that last all day, it's worth the splurge. Compared to similar products on the market, this set combines conditioning and performance in a way many single mascaras don't, so you're really paying for that dual effect. Build quality is solid. The tubes are well constructed, and the formula maintains its consistency even after several months of use. Too Faced generally has a good reputation for customer support, so if there's ever an issue, they're responsive. If you're budget conscious but still want length and volume, there are other mascaras and primers that can give decent results. But for the full dramatic effect and ethical formulation, this duo stands out. So, final thoughts? This set lives up to the hype, especially for anyone looking to elevate their lash game. It's ideal for special occasions or for those who want a standout everyday look without sacrificing lash health. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for stopping by Beautyistic. If you've tried this duo, drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.